Another great combination for living and open plan spaces in your home is a textured sheer roller blind paired with a room darkening curtain. A textured sheer roller blind creates a natural look and feel, while the room darkening curtain helps block up to 75% of the light and reduces draughts. Choosing a curtain with a concealed tab top header also helps to create a soft, relaxed drape. When selecting the colour for your sheer roller blind and curtain, opt for soft, natural tones that complement each other. The Neutrals sheer roller blind will help create daytime privacy and also help diffuse light. It's great for privacy and light control with style. Its heavyweight textured woven fabric has a premium look and feel. The loft linen room darkening curtains are perfect for that soft textured finish, and the linen blend fabric creates that natural look and feel.